So now to go back in to refine this haircut, we're going back to scissor over comb. We're just gonna slightly go over the ends of the hair to make sure that they're all smooth and laid together, especially because, like I said, this is a disconnected haircut. So we wanna make sure that we have everything nice and even together. Comb down, use your guide to move on to the next previous cut section, and continue to work freely and move throughout those sections as you scissor over comb. Moving to the opposite side, come in,